Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Kraken app settings in 2FA to new device, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Kraken app settings and two-factor authentication to a new device, follow these steps. Begin by ensuring you have your old device and new device ready. On your old device, open the Kraken app. Log into your account with your username and password. Navigate to the settings section within the app. Locate the option for two-factor authentication. You may need to disable 2FA temporarily for the transfer. Follow the prompts to disable 2FA. You will receive a confirmation email for this action. Check your email and confirm the change. Once 2FA is disabled, open the app on your new device. Download and install the Kraken app from your App Store if you haven't already. Log into your Kraken account using your credentials on the new device. Now, head to the Settings section again on the new device. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You will need to link your new device for 2FA. Follow the instructions to set up Google Authenticator or Authy. Scan the QR code displayed on your new device using the Authenticator app. Once linked, your Authenticator will generate a verification code. Enter this code on the Kraken app to confirm your 2FA setup. After successful verification, your settings will be transferred. Review all your settings to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, remember to delete the Kraken app from your old device for security reasons. You have now successfully transferred your Kraken app settings and 2FA to your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.